We all know that securing your financial future, especially as a retiree, isn't a walk in the park. But with the economy feeling less stable every day, it's becoming harder to ignore the looming uncertainty. Inflation is rising, and even the banks are struggling to stay afloat. And this uncertainty isn't just a theory, it's happening right now. In fact, just last week, a major financial institution announced its lowest quarterly earnings in years, sending shockwaves through the market. Now, with all this going on, how can you protect what you've worked so hard to build? Well, one solution that's been catching the attention of many American retirees is rolling over their 401k, or IRA, into a Gold IRA. But why is that such a hot topic? Let me introduce you to a real story that might sound familiar. Meet John and Sarah, a retired couple from Phoenix, Arizona. After spending 40 years working hard, they had saved a good amount for retirement, about $500,000 in their IRA. But with rising inflation and the stock market's unpredictable swings, they started to worry. They didn't want to lose everything they'd built for their future, and certainly not for their children. One day, John heard about Gold IRAs and did some research. The more he learned, the more it made sense. So, they decided to take action and roll over a portion of their IRA into a Gold IRA with Lear Capital. They were surprised to learn how simple it was and that there were no gimmicks involved, no free silver offers or pressure sales tactics, just a clear path to securing their retirement. So, why Gold IRAs? Well, here's the thing. Gold has stood the test of time. It's been a stable store of value for centuries. Unlike paper assets, like stocks and bonds, gold isn't subject to the same fluctuations. And especially now, with the unpredictable nature of the economy, gold offers a safety net for your wealth, helping you protect your hard-earned savings against inflation and financial instability. For John and Sarah, the peace of mind they gained from having a portion of their retirement secured in gold was priceless. And it wasn't just about the gold itself. It was about making sure their nest egg would be there for them, their children, and even their grandchildren. They were securing a legacy. Now, let's take a step back and look at the broader picture. President Trump and other leaders have spoken about the importance of diversifying your portfolio. And with financial markets under pressure, many retirees are looking for ways to hedge against risks and preserve their wealth for the future. This is where a Gold IRA shines. It's a smart way to ensure that your retirement money is protected from the volatility that's shaking the financial system. Here's the most important part. If you've got $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, you can take the first step towards securing your retirement by getting your hands on a free Gold IRA guide. This guide will explain everything you need to know about transferring your existing IRA into a Gold IRA step by step. No pressure, no gimmicks, just the education you need to make an informed decision. And remember, this isn't just about the money you've worked so hard for. It's about the future you want to build. If you've spent decades saving, you owe it to yourself and your family to make sure that wealth stays protected, especially in uncertain times. And this is a chance to get the guidance you need, with no sales pitches, just one-on-one educational calls to see if this is the right fit for you. So, click the link in the description to get your free Gold IRA guide and take the first step towards securing your future. Protect your legacy and make sure your nest egg is safe for generations to come. Don't let the economy control your retirement. Take action today.